Guys, good news. I'm going to come back to YouTube after August. Listen to this. Because if you don't, this is your last warning.
Nakausap ko na si Melissa kanina. Sabi ko, mami,
No one who looks at my videos.
just sigurado
No
ko
one.
na yung information.
Yeah, it's true. So that's why I'm going to come back. Let's see. I will just come back.
Medyo ako.
Let's see. Look. Just what?